gets cold, I'll be my own sun. If the world gets loud, I still come undone. Then I breathe it in, let it pour right through. Every little part of me says I'm enough, I'm true. My glow, it finds me. My glow, it rides me. Soft but strong, I carry it home. My glow, it lives in my bones. My glow, I wear it. My glow, I share it.
Shopping for Cartier watches, old time wrapped in gold. Let it show. Every second a story. Let it go. Silver hands sweep a velvet sky. Wrist adorned makes you fly. Elegance lives when no moments lie.
Because your pick has a small one. Your pick has a big one.
Forever's just a tick away. Shopping for Cartier watches, old time wrapped in gold. Let it show. Every second a story. Let it go. In the grid, I promise days. Forever's just a tick away. Shopping for Cartier watches, old time wrapped in gold. Let it show, every second a story. Let it go, let it go. A whisper
Doors open wide, name on the marble. I step inside, velvet and glass, soft-spoken grace, trying on courage on my own face. Cartier on Fifth, I'm shining, little red ribbon in my hand, diamond like a promise I've been hiding. Today I finally understand. This yellow gold on my wrist, it's glowing like it always waited just for me. Cartier on Fifth, I'm knowing I was always meant to feel this free.
Doing a cooking class for
They're not working though.
It was her idea to think like well, thank you.
Morning light spills on the floor. Coffee steam, nothing more. Heart feels full for no reason at all. Just a little smile I can't recall. Nothing big happened today, but the air tastes sweet anyway. I'm happy, don't know why. I'm happy in this ordinary light, like petals floating in the breeze. I'm happy quietly with ease. Window open, laundry drying slow. Birds are singing soft and low. Small things gather in my chest. Quiet joy I can't express. No fireworks, no grand design. Just this moment feel in serenity. Deep within, a quiet voice knows the truth makes the right choice. You don't have to shrink or fade away. Real love stays, it doesn't stray. You deserve real love, soft and true, the kind that feels like morning dew. No heavy chains, no silent tears, just open arms that calm your fears. You are enough, just as you are. Real